Welcome to Mysterious Encounters, a sacred chant, a morning scroll, a political rally. We call them habits, traditions. The files call them rituals, an ancient operating system for reality. Consider the Eucharist, a ritual so profound it alchemically transmutes wine into blood, matter into meaning. This isn't just symbolism, it's a psychological technology. For our ancestors, it was a tool to impose order on a chaotic universe, but the engine never shut down. It was hijacked. This deep code, what some once called the collective unconscious, is now a programmable battle space. The monomyth, the hero's journey, is now a template for user engagement funnels. We secularize the language, but the architecture remains, running quietly in the background of our lives. This is where the case file gets dark. If ritual can program cohesion, it can program compliance, and unseen hands are turning the knobs. They aren't one group. It's a new invisible empire. The behavioral engineers who perfected the science of intermittent variable rewards, turning your phone into a Skinner box that doles out dopamine one notification at a time. The perception managers who build corporate cults around products. They don't sell you an object. They sell you absolution in the form of a brand, a tribe you can belong to, a love mark to fill a spiritual void. The narrative weavers who weaponize identity for votes. They meticulously craft in-groups and out-groups, manufacturing outrage to create tribal cohesion. A population at war with itself is a population that cannot see its true enemy. They don't need to conspire in a room. Their code conspires for them in the cold logic of the cloud. This convergence has created the grand deception. From your data, they build a digital ghost of your psychographic profile of your soul. Every click, every pause, every private message is harvested and analyzed by non-human intelligences. They know what you fear in the dead of night and what you secretly desire. Then they build a cage just for you, a scripted reality delivered through your screen, where every piece of content is designed to reinforce a predetermined narrative. They engineer social contagions, letting algorithms spread ideas like a virus until you believe a planted thought was your own. You experience a phantom consensus, convinced your niche. Algorithmically fed worldview is the dominant one, isolating you further. The goal isn't just profit. It is a population so mesmerized by the hypnotic comfort of repetition that they police their own cage. But they are terrified of one thing. The ghost in the machine, not an AI, but the unpredictable spark of human consciousness. The system can be broken. It begins with the simple rebellious act of seeing the ritual for what it is, to notice the pattern, to question the impulse, to step outside the rhythm. This is the counter-ritual, the conscious act of disconnection, the practice of boredom, the embrace of unfiltered, uncurated reality. Every time you choose a difficult truth over a comfortable lie, you become a glitch in their data, an anomaly they cannot predict. This is the new front line. The war is not for territory, but for your attention. Every moment of quiet reflection, every genuine human connection made offline, is a strike against the empire. So, are you a user or are you the one being used? Your next click is your answer.